Origin Labs Silver Mountain Water. Itong perfume na to ang ating bibigyan ng first impression for tonight's video. Okay, so in terms of the presentation, ang simple lang ng kanyang box, mostly white, and sa taas nakalagay ang kanyang brand, Origin Lab Parfum, and nakalagay kung ilang ml siya, 55 ml all the perfume. And then sa likod naman, meron siyang QR code and kung saan siya available, right? And some details on the ingredients and some reminders or caution for those na bibili ng perfume na to. How much is this? I bought this for 250 pesos. Sometimes the regular price is around 300 to 350 pesos. Okay. Ang scent na nakuha natin is Silver Mountain Water, right? I was quite curious kung ano ba yung Silver Mountain Water. So, let's go ahead and check on Fragrantica first kung ano yung mga main accords ng ating Silver Mountain Water and kung maamoy ba natin siya later on pagka in-spray natin itong perfume na to. So, ang main accords na nakalagay sa Fragrantica: citrus, green, fruity, musky, woody, aromatic, powdery, fresh, spicy, fresh, floral, and when to wear, it's during summer, fall, day, mostly, tapos medyo sa night. And notes, top notes are bergamot and mandarin orange. Tapos sa middle notes, meron siyang green tea, blackcurrant. Tapos sa base notes, meron siyang musk, sandalwood, petitgrain, and galbano. I don't know what those are, but it's part of the notes that's listed for this perfume, supposedly. Alright. Now, in terms of the bottle, ang cute-cute ng kanyang bottle, mostly clear, and then meron siyang branding sa harapan, and the cap is black. Okay, let's go ahead and smell this perfume. Let's do a few sprays. Dalawang spray sa ating left wrist. Wow, ang ganda ng kanyang spray. Ang lawak ng kanyang area. And ang ganda ng volume ng perfume na lumabas from the sprayer or the atomizer itself. So, amoy natin. Amoy ba natin yung kanyang bergamot and mandarin orange? Yes, I do smell the bergamot. And sa ano niya is malabas din ang kanyang mandarin orange. Tapos, in terms of the green tea, yes, naamoy ko rin yung green tea. Pero yung blackcurrant, yeah, nandun din siya. So, yun, naamoy mo kagad in terms of the opening. Mamaya-maya, after a few seconds, let's see kung lalabas ba yung kanyang base notes na pagka-woody and musky. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hindi ko gana maamoy yung sandalwood or yung musk. Pero, yeah, nangingibabaw talaga yung kanyang bergamot and mandarin orange. So, let's pause this video for now, or stop this video for this presentation for tonight. And we'll go ahead and test this perfume for a few days and I'll let you know kung ano yung performance ng perfume ito. Would it be a good performer in terms of the projection, sillage, and longevity? And we'll also do some testing. We'll try to layer it with our other perfumes and I'll let you know kung ano yung mga babagay na layering combination sa perfume na to. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!